To automatically enable the eye comfort seal feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra at scheduled time, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display, tap display, tap eye comfort seal. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap custom. Next, tap set schedule. Select custom. Set the start time. As the example, we will set it to 7 p.m. And then set the end time. As the example, we will set it to 5 a.m. the next day. And then tap done button. With this setting, your phone will automatically enable the eye comfort seal feature at scheduled time, in this case from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. the next day. Here you can also manually adjust the color temperature that's right for you when the eye comfort seal feature is on. To do so, slide the adjustment bar below color temperature to the left to get a cooler color, or you can slide it to the right to get a warmer color. As a note, given to the function, it'd be better if you enable the eye comfort seal feature in your phone, regardless of which option you select, because this feature will keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.